Are you a Xamarin developer? Here is how to implement push notification on Xamarin Android, iOS, and UWP easily. It is quite impossible to talk about the development of mobile applications without Xamarin. It is a major platform for Android and mobile applications development introduced by Microsoft. Azure Notification Hub is usually used to send notifications to a Xamarin application. These notifications are broadcasted over all the Android devices using the Firebase Cloud Messaging feature. To send push notifications, follow these steps. 1. You have to create a Firebase project and enable the Firebase Cloud Messaging feature. 2. Now create a notification hub in Microsoft Azure portal. 3. Introduce the Xamarin Android and iOS app and develop a connection with the Azure Notification Hub. 4. Now you can send test notifications from the Azure portal. You're done. For more information about Xamarin mobile app development, subscribe now.